Pay attention to foot health. Do you have the foot problem in your daily life? Dead skin is the root of many foot health problems. Failure to remove the dead skin in time will cause problems such as smelly feet, cracking of heel, rough foot skin, etc. This foot rasp can help you solve these problems easily. Only remove dead skin. Less than 1 mm in height, fit the foot skin, and can easily remove dead skin and calluses on the feet. Can be reused. After each use, just wash with water, then dry the water, and continue to use next time. Stainless steel material makes the foot file not easy to rust. Keep clean and healthy. How to use. The first step is to soak your feet in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes to soften the dead skin. The second step is to dry your feet, then you can use our foot file to remove the dead skin or calluses on your feet. The third step is to clean the feet again and dry it, and apply foot cream to make the foot skin more smooth. Applicable crowd. This foot pedicure tool is especially suitable for the elderly, athletes, women who like to wear high heels, outdoor sports enthusiasts and so on. Easy to solve their foot calluses related problems. Top reviews from the United States. Huge, sharp, and sturdy. Every summer I wear Tevas and walk around barefoot in the yard and then cry when my heels thicken up like rhino hide and crack deep enough to. Well, never mind. It's gross. I have a little foot grater that's 1x3 on a little plastic handle that I've had for years, and how it hasn't broken by now, I don't know.